Hello folks, Akhil here, back with another video at WM Originals. Microsoft is already ready with new update named as Windows 10 20H2 update, which is already rolled out to Windows insiders in beta and release preview channels. Today we will be having a look at the features and changes coming with 20H2 update. 20H2 update comes with bunch of new features, especially to Windows 10 UI and settings. It also introduces all new Microsoft Edge based on Chromium. Yes, this update will be the first update that will include the new Microsoft Edge based on Chromium. I will come up with another video for detailed overview of Microsoft Edge in near future. Windows 10 20H2 update will also be delivered in an optimized way for the users running the Windows 10 May 2020 update, making the download and installation process super fast. Always wanted this and hope Microsoft continues with that. What's your take on this? Share your views in comments. Now let's talk about some of the changes coming with Windows 10 20H2 update. Theme aware tiles in Start, and it looks refreshing to see Start menu like this. Not only this, the icons which started rolling out with May 2020 update will finally also be included in this 20H2 update. This is how it looks like with dark mode. Let's switch to light theme. For that, go to settings and from there personalization and then colors. From drop down menu select light. And now this is how it looks like. Now all tiles get brightened with light theme being activated. Likewise, you can select some colors and see the change. Let's go to settings and firstly get back to dark mode. And now scroll down to select these check boxes to show ancient colors on taskbar, title bar and borders as well. Now let's check Start menu. All the tiles get same color scheme other than Chrome. What do you have to say on this? Share your views in comments. Alt plus tabs between apps and sites. If you are a multitasker and want to move between not just applications but tabs open in Microsoft Edge, well, with this update you can start switching between tabs open in Microsoft Edge and applications using Alt plus tab. Just like this, I have already opened some of the tabs on Edge. Start switching between tabs open in Microsoft Edge and applications using Alt plus tab. You can also change the settings by going to Settings, System and Multitasking. One can also configure Alt plus tab to only show your last 3 or 5 tabs, or choose to turn this feature off completely and select Open Windows only. And see, it now shows up only Windows applications. You can get it to show Edge tabs plus Windows or only Windows. What do you guys think about the same? Share your views in comments. A more personalized taskbar for new users. So if you do a clean install or get a new device with your Microsoft account, Microsoft says we will evaluate the performance of individual default properties, monitoring diagnostic data and user feedback to assess an audience's reception. Using this information, we will tune default layouts to minimum clutter and perceptions of bloatware, making settings even better. Microsoft is working on bringing more of the control panel to settings, and in those efforts they have made some changes to about section. Let's move on to there, and here you can see that your device information such as device specification and Windows specification are copyable. So if you want to copy and share your device information, you can just click on this copy button and share it anywhere you want, just like this what I am doing. Change refresh rate of your display. Open settings and from there go to system and then display, and from there advanced display settings, and change the refresh rate of your selected display. A higher refresh rate allows for smoother motion. The presented refresh rates can also vary with the supported hardware on your device. So this is what Microsoft is going to bring to public through Windows 10 20H2 update. Well, not only this, there are a bunch of improvements and fixes coming with this update, making your experience throughout the OS much more faster and reliable. Which of these changes you like the most? Share your views and suggestions in comment. Also, if you want to know how to get Windows 10 20H2 update, well, I have a dedicated video for the same. You can check the description of this video, pinned comment or YouTube cards as well for the same. Also, if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified about our tech videos. Thanks for watching. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Nice day.